Hey guys, I'm John with Logan Homes. Today we're going to talk about smoke detectors. We offer two types of smoke detectors. One is a carbon smoke and one is just a smoke. The carbon smoke has a AA battery. The smoke detector has a 9 volt. It's important to change these batteries twice a year. How I remember is at the time change, every 6 months I change my batteries. I get up on a ladder. After I change the battery, it's important to know to press the HUS button for 15 to 20 seconds and it'll reset all your detectors. They'll all be talking to each other and you're good for another 6 months.